Hello everyone, welcome to AP Chemistry. We are here to give you some tips about how to get a 5 on that, which is pretty easy thing. So save your time. So first one is, before each chapter, read the syllabus, do the preview. You make sure you know what's on the syllabus, what's on each chapter, so you know what's your weakness, so you can focus during the her classes. In her classes, pay attention to everything she said, because you might lose some important points on that. And take notes on something confuse you or you don't understand. You can, after class, ask your friends or directly go to Miss West, and you should be good. And make sure you do the homework, do the review, and so you can enhance your knowledge on the materials. Okay, and then good luck.
Hi. Study resources are very important to getting a 5 on the AP exam. Many students start studying very early in the year to ensure that they get a 5. Study groups are one thing that's very important to get a 5 on the AP exam. You can gather a bunch of your friends and study after school using the notes you took during class. Another useful thing is getting an AP exam book, such as the Princeton Review book. Taking the practice tests and going along with the chapters in the book will ensure that you get a 5 on the AP exam. Another important thing is taking test prep classes, which is optional, but they can also help you pass the AP exam. The College Board's website also has a lot of useful tools for passing and getting a 5 on the AP exam. The AP Chemistry test won't be easy, but if you study and regularly maintain your notes, I'm sure you'll do well. Be comfortable asking your teacher anything, and good luck.
Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm here to give you some tips on how to pass AP Chemistry. First, it's always helpful to review all your notes the day that you take them. It's helpful because it stores it into your long-term memory rather than your short-term. Walk into AP Chemistry with some confidence. Have some confidence, believe in yourself that you can actually do it. A great way to study is by using flashcards, not only for AP Chemistry but for any class that you have that you can study for. And the last is AP Chemistry is based on a lot about foundations, and paying attention in the beginning of the class really helps a lot to do well later in the class.
And I'm here to talk about YouTube. YouTube is very important because there's a channel called Crash Course, and there's a lot of important subjects in chemistry which Crash Course has and explains it very easily in detail. Crash Course has a lot of things about stoichiometry, which is like the basis foundation of chemistry, redox equations, acid-base equations, and many other stuff like that. If you check them out, you'll be sure to get a 5 in the AP exam.
Alright, what's up everybody? My name is Brian, and I'm going to continue what my fellow brethren said about passing the AP exam. First, you have to have a plan going into AP Chemistry. You can't just walk up in there and expect to have everything set up for you. Of course, you can look at the syllabus, but have some internalized way of setting up your day to study for the test and the class. Try to think of the problem as a whole. If you focus oftentimes on a particular portion of the problem, you'll find yourself missing the entire question. And so try to think of the entire question as a whole part of a gigantic, integrated, complicated question. Also, you have to constantly review your notes. It's important that you even go back to chapter 1, because stoichiometry is the foundation of chemistry, and so you need it to apply to every single problem. So review often, all the way back to chapter 1. And if you don't understand something, one of the best tips is to ask your classmates. Sometimes the teacher may not explain it as well as your peers do, and so always remember that and try to get as much sleep as possible, but not in class.